What if I told you there's a country that rebuilt itself from ruins into one of the most powerful nations in the world, a land of thinkers, inventors, and breathtaking castles? Welcome to Germany. Population and people. Germany has a population of over 83 million people, making it the most populous country in Europe. Germans are known for their discipline, innovation, and strong work ethic. The country is also very diverse, with people from different cultures living together. Language and religion. The official language is German, one of the most widely spoken languages in Europe. In terms of religion, the main groups are Christianity, both Protestant and Catholic, while many people today also identify as non-religious. History. Germany has a deep and complex history. It was once divided into East and West after World War II, symbolized by the Berlin Wall. But in 1990, Germany reunited, becoming one strong nation again. This moment changed the course of history in Europe. Independence and Unity Day. Germany does not celebrate a traditional Independence Day like many countries. Instead, it celebrates German Unity Day on October 3rd, marking the reunification of East and West Germany in 1990. It is the most important national holiday in the country. Inventions, achievements. Germany is a powerhouse of innovation. The automobile was invented by Carl Benz. Major contributions to science by Albert Einstein. Germany is famous for engineering, cars like BMW, Mercedes, and Volkswagen. Economy. Germany has the largest economy in Europe and one of the strongest in the world. It is known for its high-quality manufacturing, especially in automobiles, machinery, and technology. The country is also a global export leader. Famous places, tourism. Germany is full of amazing destinations. The Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of unity and peace. Neuschwanstein Castle, a real-life fairy tale castle. Cologne Cathedral, one of the largest cathedrals in Europe. The Black Forest, famous for its natural beauty. Interesting facts. Germany is home to over 20,000 castles. It has one of the world's best education systems. The famous festival Oktoberfest started here. Germany is known as the land of ideas. From powerful history to groundbreaking inventions and stunning landscapes, Germany stands as a symbol of strength, innovation, and unity. So if you ever dream of exploring a country where the past meets the future, Germany is waiting for you.